This fully AI-generated video pulled in millions of views. And the creator? He did almost nothing.
This channel have 522K subscribers. This channel was also created in same month and 37 million views.
They are making $65,000 per month. But here's the crazier part. Each video was made in seconds, not minutes. No editing, no script writing, no ChatGPT prompts, not even searching for stock footage or AI images. All it took was typing 2 words, premium cars, and hitting one button, generate. Boom! A viral, high-performing video ready in seconds. And yes, I'm going to show you exactly which AI tool did this and how you can replicate it today. So stick around till the end, because I'll also reveal 2 viral niches you can start right now using this one AI tool. And they all require 0 experience and no editing skills. Niche #1, Would You Rather? They're short, addictive, and perfect for high engagement. Usually, creating these kinds of videos takes a script from ChatGPT VoiceOver with 11 Labs images from Midjourney, video editing in CapCut, or a light motion. But with this tool, none of that is needed. I mean literally nothing. Just watch this.
Wait, before we move on, if you're dreaming of making real money with AI but don't know where to start, this is your chance. Grab my ebook, Online Business with AI, with 20+ zero investment business models. Start your journey today. Links in the description. Don't let this opportunity slip away.
Step 1. Go to Vubo AI, one of the most powerful AI video generators I've ever tested. It's like having an entire creative team in one tool. Step 2. Click on the template called Would You Rather. Right now, they offer many templates, and even more are launching soon. But for this video, we'll stick with this one. Step 3. You'll see a default theme like food in the input box. Delete that and type your niche keyword. For example, I wrote premium cars. Step 4. Select a voiceover style. I went with Renzo because it sounds confident, clear, and perfect for YouTube Shorts. Click Generate. Wait a few seconds. Boom! Your full video is ready. With AI images, transitions, text, and voiceover, all done for you. Step 5. Download your video or customize it even more. Go to the Projects tab. Click on your video, then hit Customize. You can now, from Content, replace the AI-generated images or regenerate them. Edit the title, content, or character names and style. Change text font, size, and animation presets voice. Switch voice characters, music, add royalty-free tracks from Vubo's library. I set volume to 10 for a subtle vibe. Once done, hit Save, Export, and boom! Your 1080p video is ready for YouTube. In under 5 minutes, you've got a fully monetizable, custom-branded, AI-powered short. And here's most crazy part, From Voice Studio, you can add your own voices or any AI voices from 11 Labs by pasting voice URL that you can also add. You can even join their Telegram for updates and new viral templates. Now let's talk about niche #2 motivational videos. These are exploding across YouTube right now, especially in Shorts and Reels format where people crave fast, punchy, high-energy inspiration. This channel gets millions views in each videos and earns, and guess what? You can create motivational bangers with Vubo AI too. Step 1. Head over to vubo.ai and log in. Once inside the dashboard, scroll down to the template section and look for Quote Motivational. Or choose a basic template if it's not visible yet. I selected one that supports quote-based storytelling. Step 2. In the input field, delete the placeholder and type your motivational theme, like discipline, silent success, hustle, growth mindset, or millionaire mentality. Then click Next. Step 3. Choose your voiceover style. For motivational energy, I recommend Mark, masculine powerful, or Drawny, inspiring bold. I went with Mark. His voice sounds like a mentor guiding you to greatness. Click Generate, and Vubo builds the video for you. This includes background video clips, cinematic transitions, animated text, and a powerful AI voiceover. Wait a few seconds. Boom! Your video is ready. Step 4. Customize it. Go to Project Select Video, click Customize. Inside, content. Replace quotes, rewrite text, or use your own script. Style. Change text effects, fonts, color schemes, voice, switch speakers, or adjust speed. Music. Add epic tracks from Vubo's library. Lowered volume to 1015 so it doesn't overpower the voice. Step 5. Once it's perfect, save, export, done. Your motivational video is now YouTube ready. No CapCut, no editing, no ChatGPT. Pro tip, post 2-3 of these daily as YouTube Shorts. Use trending hashtags like #motivation, #shorts, #success mindset. Final words. This is the AI revolution. No team, no editors, no wasted hours. Just one powerful tool and one smart creator, you. Don't miss this wave. Start your channel. Pick niche. Let Vubo do the heavy lifting. Smash that like button. Subscribe for more AI income ideas and drop a comment with the niche you want to try next. I'm Profitron, and I'll see you in the next video.